happy weekend. And again, this Saturday we are going to check out one new place in Ubud called Jungle Fish. It looks like beach club, but there is no beach. So it is jungle club, it is fish club, or is it fish pond? Let's check it out.
Why are you stressing? Why? I can promise you you'll find a way in time. To find someone is a blessing. The love you find you won't be able to deny. Just take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. You know what, see us together.
Hi guys, so now we are at the Jungle Fish in Ubud. So we actually have a look at what kind of breakfast we can have today. So we have a look at the selection of their pastry, a little bit of fruits, of course coffee, but the most important thing is actually to see this amazing view in front of us. And if you wish to see what else we can find out, stay tuned with us and let's enjoy our break.
You take your time. Wait while you take your time. You take your time. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want a